Hello kittens, it's me Kitty, and today I'm doing my final video, which is the animation I was talking about. So I have nothing really to say about this, so I'm just going to get into it. Okay, so this is the first frame. I put mummy because it sounds better than mom. And it's like mummy bird, you don't say mum bird. Mum bird sounds stupid. But yeah, this is about a mummy bird giving a baby bird a berry. Sorry about my bad animating. I'm not a professional artist and animator, but if you like it, thank you. Let's go. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoy. And also, if you couldn't read it, this is what the thing at the end said. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to Angelo Miliotto and Lillian Lambert. Peace out. So yeah, I hope you like this animation. It took me about 2 hours. No. Well, 1 hour and 33 minutes. Because I started this at like 12 and now it's 1:33 p.m. So yeah, it took me quite a while. I totally agree with you if you think it's rubbish. I do too. Yeah, it took me quite a while to do this, and if you did like it, then like this video, subscribe to me, subscribe to my friends Angelo Miliotto and Lillian Lambert, and I will see you beautiful kittens in the next video. Peace out.